Hi, folks. Today, we'll be discussing the drop shipment functionality in Business Center. So, basically, in drop shipment, product gets shipped directly from the supplier to the customer without entering your warehouse. So let's see how the process flow works. Let's try to create a sales order. So let me create a new sales order and select some item. Then I have one quantity, which I'm going to ship to the customer. Now let's try to add few fields over here by doing the personalization. So, over here, you can see the field drop shipment. So by default, those are not available on the sales line, so you have to add it. And there is another field called purchasing quote. So I'm adding this over here on the line. So now both the fields are added, and we are done. Now I'm going to checkmark this as a Dropbox, drop shipment, and the purchasing code as dropship. Okay, so this is a drop ship sales order. Now let's go to the purchase order. Create a new purchase order. This is to any vendor. Now I have to select the ship to the customer address to which customer I am doing the drop shipment. In this case, it is customer 10,000. Now let me go to the actions, functions, drop shipment, and get sales order. So let's try to get the sales order I recently created. That is 1027. Okay. So drop ship order. So let me try to retrieve it again. Drop ship. Cut sales orders. Okay. Now the drop shipment line is automatically populated on my purchase order. So now let me try to post it. So I have, again, 3 options. Let's try to receive an invoice and see that for a drop shipping order, we cannot do receive an invoice together at the same time. So let's try to receive it first. So I have received it, and then let me try to invoice it as well. What happens? So when I invoice it, it will say that you cannot invoice the purchase order before the associated sales order has been invoiced. So, basically, I have to invoice the sales order as well as ship the sales orders before I post the purchase invoice. So let me try to post it now. Ship an invoice. Okay, now my drop shipment order is posted. Let's go back and try to post the purchase order. Let me try to put some then invoice number. Now let's try to post and invoice the purchase order. My purchase order has been invoiced. So here we go. So this is how the drop shipment functionality works. Thank you.